Hey, it's Clay Trader from claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my live trades as they unfold. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. I will keep you updated. Got an order in for some shares at 314.65. We'll see if it can get down there or not. This is coming from the daily chart. So we'll see if it can get down there or not, but that is where just 100 shares, obviously this one, given the price it's at, gonna go in small, but maybe that's just gonna be the little pullback that we get. We will see. It's a very fast mover, so you know, you gotta play things cautiously. I'll keep you updated. Going for some shares here short at 47.35 on UAL. I got those, gonna look to cover at 47.30, just kind of playing around with the market a little bit. So there's a quick $25, but I do like this action here, so I'm going to try again. This time go at 45. Maybe I can get some machine gun trading going on. Well, they gave me 140 of those, so let's see if it can get back up there and fill me the rest. Nope, looks like I'm going to have to go with 140. Try to get those at 47.13. Well, that turned around very quickly on me. I wasn't fast enough. So let's see if it can pull back a little bit more. So got rid of those at 47.30. So I don't know what that was. I was at 25, so almost another $25 more. But I'm going to try to keep trading this one. I will keep you up. Okay, now I'm going to go for some at 47.60. I think if we can get through that, you know, the round number there of, or I should say the kind of half round number of 50, then it's got a chance to hopefully shoot quickly up to 60 and then get a little pullback. If not, you know, I can try to bring across the 5-minute chart, and you'll see that the chart is quite overextended regardless, so I don't have a problem building a position bigger if I need to. So let's see if it can get up to 60. There's a break of 50. It's working its way upwards. See my order highlighted. All right, well, we're just sitting here staring at, but I know as soon as I pause it, I'm going to get filled. So I'll let it run just a tad bit longer here. All right, I'm going to pause it. All right, I missed the entry point. Got in at 47.70, and you can see I'm trying to cover down here in the low 50s. We'll see if I can get that or not. Just needs to pull back a tad bit more. And there I am out. So that was a nice little score there. 500 shares, got 18 cents on those. Let's see if I can catch some more trades. Going for some shares here now to short at 47.90. So let's see if we can get in there. And it's just struggling to get up there. Not going to give up on it quite yet. Thinking about potentially forming a short position right here at 47.80. Just from watching level 2s, it seems that is a level of resistance, but you know, I'm not totally sold on that yet. Here we go. Let's see if it can get up. Well, it got somewhat close. How high did it go? 47.86, so I guess still 4 cents off. All right, well, the way it's consolidating, I think if it breaks through 90, it's going to go on up and hit 48. So I'm just going to start at 48 now. I don't like the way that it consolidated. I think 48, I can get that entry, and it'll be a better entry, but we'll see. Looks like right now, I should have left it at 90, as that would have been the quick 10-cent score that I was going for. So I got that wrong. But here's a little hint. You're going to be wrong when you trade, as you just witnessed there. But regardless, I'm going to keep that 48 order up there, and I will let you know if it looks like I'm going to get filled. Okay, getting close to 48 up there. Got as high as 47.99, so there's people cut in front of me. But you can see I'm not the only one up there at 48. Lots of orders up there. So it's one of those things where I'm either not going to get filled at all, or I'm going to get filled, and I'll get a very nice trade out of it, or I'm going to get filled, and then it's just going to explode past it because it is that round number. But regardless, I still like the entry point. And yeah, you can see those people that cut in front of me at 47.99. They played it right. I played it wrong. So yeah, I'm not doing so well right now in terms of my decisions. But hey, I guess that happens. So I'm not gonna stop watching this one yet, but I'm gonna continue to search around. So I will keep you updated. All right, I got into WCG at 62.40. Sorry I missed the entry point. It was very quick. The price just spiked. A pretty volatile one. I'm looking to try to get 10 cents on this one or build a bigger position. This is more so based off of the 5-minute chart. So it looks like I'm going to be able to build a bigger position here. Try for some more up there at 62.60 if I can get those. So let's see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. Trying to push down through that 40 as you can see, but that's currently acting as a pretty stubborn level of support, which for me right now, so you saw how fast it moved. I'm out. That's why I wasn't able to catch the entry, because this one, like I said, very jumpy, but I'm liking this volatility, so I'm gonna keep track of it. And if it wants to head back up there, I'll try to restart building my short position at 62.75. We'll see what happens. I went short here at 34 or 64.36, and now I'm just looking to cover on the rest of my shares here. So I'm all out there, making sure I don't have any pending orders out there. Obviously, you can see I'm up bigger than what I was from the last update. I apologize for that. Started to trade, then my wife came down with my daughter, got sidetracked, kind of talked with them, tried to trade, and I totally forgot about it. That's not a downside for me, but I guess a downside for you. Sometimes, when my daughter or wife comes down, I forget to do the trading thing. But regardless, I shorted it up. I built a position up to here, and you can see the past couple pullbacks here allowed me to get out. And then you just saw the tail end of that where I shorted 300 at 64.36 and then covered at 23, 21, and 20. Almost 10:30 a.m. So I'm definitely going to stop this at 10:30. It's 10:20, so still 10 minutes left. Only at 7.5 minutes roughly on the video. So let's see if I can catch one more before I end the video. Okay, trying for some Zillow here. Ticker symbol Z, up at 157.25. Just 100 shares. Very volatile. Pretty big spread. So I like that, but at the same time, one of those things that needs to be factored into your trading plan. So just going to go in with 100 shares. And we'll see what happens. I'm hoping with a break of 157, I'm assuming it's going to shoot up pretty quick. So, obviously I want it to at least shoot up 25 cents. But first need to even test 157. So that's the current plan. We'll see what happens. Well, I'm just not doing very good today. Again, started to trade, got distracted, and didn't catch it. But I traded a Loco IPO for $91 so far. But with that, I'm just going to wrap things up. I think I've mentioned in the other videos, but the claytrader.com, we are relaunching the site, just a lot more user-friendly. So I got a lot more stuff with Nate I got to work on with that. So I'll probably round things up, 482 in essentially the first hour. So a pretty good start to the day, especially on a summer Friday. But anyways, if you're interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning with charts, with technical analysis, you don't necessarily have to be looking to sell within a few minutes like I do. But the great thing about charts is whether you're looking to sell within a few minutes, a few hours, a few days, or even a few weeks, charts can be applied to all sorts of time frames. And I offer multiple courses on those. If you go to just claytrader.com and go to the training section of the store, you can see all those. Also have a trading group that's got a live chat room. I send out my weekly scans via the net weekly newsletter, and just everything's very cost effective. So I'd encourage you to check it out. But at the end of the day, don't take my word for it. Read some testimonials and just get a good third party perspective. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something, and everybody enjoy your weekend.